Now I am talking about reverse osmosis. It is the expulsion of pure water from a solution through semi-permeable membrane under the influence of pressure higher than the osmotic pressure of the solution. Reverse osmosis is used to remove salt from saline water or extra purification of water. Now I am talking about tonicity. Relative concentration of the solute that determine the direction and extent of diffusion is called tonicity. I am repeating, relative concentration of the solution that determine the direction and extent of diffusion is called tonicity. Based the solution can be of three types: isotonic, hypotonic or hypertonic solution. आइसोटोनिक कंडीशन में सेल के बाहर और अंदर दोनों तरफ लिक्विड में जो कंसंट्रेशन होती है सॉल्वेंट की वो सेम होती है. हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन जो है वो डाइल्यूट होता है एंड हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन जो है वो कंसंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में होता है. एग्जाम्पल, वाटर हाइपोटोनिक है जबकि शुगर सॉल्यूशन हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन है. So, tonicity is the amount of tension developed in a system on account of occurrence of solute particle in it. It pertains to the kind of external osmotic environment. It is usually determined when two solution or system are compared for their osmotic pressure. The solution are of three types when compared from their tonicity, that is isotonic solution, hypotonic solution and hypertonic solution. The behavior of plant cell with regard to the water movement depend on the surrounding solution. The relative concentration of the solution that determine the water movement of plant cell is called tonicity. A solution which can cause an osmotic entry of water into it is known as osmotically active solution, OAS. Based on the tonicity, the solution can be of three types. Isotonic solution means same concentration, hypotonic solution means lower concentration, and hypertonic solution means higher concentration. Now I am explaining isotonic solution. Isotonic means same tension or concentration. The relative concentration of water molecule and a solute on either side of cell membrane is the same. In such a solution, there is no net movement of water molecule across the cell membrane, means no osmosis. I am repeating, isotonic solution. Two solutions having same osmotic pressure resulting in no osmosis are said to be isotonic solution. So, what is isotonic solution? If the relative concentration of water molecule and solute in cell sap and outer solution is same, such solution is called isotonic solution. The net movement of water molecule across the cell membrane is zero. Second one is hypotonic solution. Hypo means lower. In this condition, the solution outside the cell has lower solute concentration than the fluid inside the cell. As a result, the water molecule from outside will move into the cell, that is endosmosis. So, I am repeating. Hypotonic solution is a solution having low osmotic pressure or lower concentration of solution as compared to another solution is said to be hypotonic solution. Osmosis will take place from hypotonic to hypertonic solution. So what is hypotonic solution? If the solution outside the cell has a lower solute concentration than the solute concentration of cell sap is called hypotonic solution. The water molecule will move inside the cell. As a result, the cell swells up. The swelling of the cell is called turgidity. Now I am talking about hypertonic solution. Hyper means higher. In this condition, the solution outside the cell has a higher solute concentration than the fluid inside the cell. Consequently, the water molecule from the interior of the cell will move out, that is exosmosis. So, what is hypertonic solution? A solution having higher osmotic pressure or higher concentration of solute molecule in comparison to another solution is called hypertonic solution. If the solution outside the cell has higher solute concentration, then the solute concentration of cell sap is called hypertonic solution. The water molecule will move outside from the cell. As a result, the cell shrinks down. The shrinkage of cell is called plasmolysis. I am repeating, the shrinkage of the cell is called plasmolysis. To understand the three conditions in and process of osmosis, take human RBCs. Place them into three different dishes, one containing isotonic, second hypotonic and third hypertonic solution. In setup 1, shape and size of RBC remain unchanged as there is no net osmosis. In setup 2, the content of RBC is hypertonic as compared to surrounding solution. Water molecules moves from hypotonic to hypertonic solution. The RBC swell up or even may burst due to endosmosis. And in third setup, RBC shrink due to exosmosis because the content of RBC is hypotonic as to compared to surrounding solution. So I am repeating, to understand the three condition, we may suppose that RB red blood cell has 1 and 2 a plant cell have been replaced in 3 different kinds of solution. The result may be as follows: cell shape and size remain unchanged. This solution outside is isotonic. Cells shrink in size and loses shape. The solution outside is hypertonic. Cells slightly enlarge or even burst. The solution out is hypotonic. When fully distented, the cell is called turgid, that is, when it cannot withstand any further inflow of water molecule. In case of plant cell, another striking feature determines the behavior of the cell when subjected to very external fluid environment. The feature is the rigidity of the cell wall, which resists bulging and protect the delicate cellular part inside. The phenomena related to the behavior are turgidity, plasmolysis and flaccidity. Now I am giving comparative study of isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic solution. Character की solution concentration in outer solution, isotonic solution same 0.9% salt, hypotonic solution less 100% water, hypertonic solution more 100% salt. Second character, solute concentration of cell sap, isotonic solution same, hypotonic solution more, move, hypertonic solution less. Third character, net water movement in isotonic solution 0, in hypotonic solution occurs inside the cell and in hypertonic solution occurs outside from the cell. Next character, cell size, isotonic solution remains constant, hypotonic solution, in case of hypotonic solution increases and in case of hypertonic solution cell size decreases. Next character, the process involved in isotonic solution is osmosis, in hypotonic solution is endosmosis means turgidity, and in hypertonic solution process involved is exosmosis, that is plasmolysis, shrinking of the cell.